Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of Temu. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Temu and we click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Temu and you will enter. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.